Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today I'm going to do a sapphire blue makeup look, but contrary to what I've been doing, I'm gonna start with my brow first, and I'm just using my Caroline brow pencil in the shade taupe. And just like what I always do, I sketch my lower arch first before moving on to the rest of my brows. Here I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige, and I'm gonna prime my eyelids first. At the same time, I'm gonna clean up my brows. So I'm taking a small amount on the back of my hand, and using a brush, I'm gonna use that to carve my eyebrows first, and then putting the rest of the concealer on the rest of my lids. I'm using my fingers to pat the product down because I want to take the excess product off. So it's eyeshadow time, and with a fluffy brush I'm gonna take that bone colored shade and I'm gonna use that to set my concealer in place so that there will be something to adhere to. And then I'm taking another fluffy brush with that orange shade, and that is our transition color, and I'm gonna put that on the crease, and I'm gonna start on the outer corners, and then I'm pushing the colors inwards as you can see here. And I'm just gonna continue blending, and then with another fluffy but more compact brush I'm gonna take that red shade, and that color will be placed underneath the orange shade. I don't want the orange shade to vanish completely. I just want a nice gradient of colors, so I'm putting that underneath the orange shade. And then with the brush earlier, I'm just gonna blend the two colors together. And then next I'm taking this dark violet shade with another blending brush, and I'm gonna use that color underneath the red shade. As you can see, we're creating a gradient of colors from light to dark. So underneath the red color, that's where you're gonna put this violet shade. Again, with that very first fluffy brush, I'm gonna blend all the colors together. Blending is key to this makeup look. So I'm taking a tiny bit of concealer, and I'm gonna map out a cut crease, or no, a halo eye on my eyelids. So at the center part, I'm taking my concealer with a concealer brush, and I'm just gonna, erase that violet color. And on the other side of that brush, I'm gonna take this dark sapphire shade, and on top of the concealer, I'm just gonna use that to set the concealer in place. And this will just make that blue color even more bright. Next is that really charming iridescent sky blue, and I'm gonna use that on the middle part of my eyelids, the very middle part, just to create a nice dimension to the look. So it's time to put on foundation, and I'm just spreading it first with my fingers before blending it with a beauty sponge. You just use whatever foundation you have lying around in your vanity. And with that same concealer, I'm using it to hide the dark circles under my eyes and to highlight the center of my face. And I'm applying a generous amount of this, and I'm going back with my beauty sponge to blend it all away. This time I'm taking my Maybelline powder, and with a fluffy brush I'm using that to set my face all over, just so the foundation and concealer will not go away. Using my favorite blush and contour duo, I'm using the bronzer shade to contour the sides of my face, as you can see, and then the bridge of my nose, because I need a little help in that department. So I'm going back with that flat shader brush with the blue shade, and I'm running that along my lower lash line just to balance the look out. And then I'm using that fluffy brush with no additional product, just the excess ones to buff that color out. Next, I'm putting on false lashes because I figured out this dramatic bold look needs a little oomph with the lashes. So yeah. Taking that neutral blush, I'm gonna smile, and starting with the apples of the cheeks, I'm gonna blend that blush outwards. Here I'm taking two Vice Cosmetics lipsticks in the shade Good Vibes and Ganders, and I'm gonna mix that together. First, I'm going in with Good Vibes. This one is a nice pink color, and I figured it would go well with the blue shade, you know, like a contrast. And then with the shade Ganders, this one is a nudish brown, and I'm just gonna lighten that pink color a bit so that it's not too bright. The last step is highlighter. I'm taking my Essence Pure Nude, and I'm using a blush brush, I think, and I'm gonna put that on the highest points of my face, like the cheekbones, the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. Of course, I'm putting on the inner corners of my eyes as well to make it pop a little bit. And we're done! Here's the blue sapphire makeup look, and I dedicate this to my Virgo ladies out there because sapphire is their birthstone. Let me know if you like this look. I did enjoy creating this, and I feel like I'm very glamorous. And I'll see you on my next video, guys. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye!